Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you tips for personal finance management. Comprehending how to handle your personal finance objectives will bring benefits instead of anguish. All of us desire a protected future, so here are a couple of things to assist you to get going. 1. Understand your existing financial status. This can be a little frightening for some, however, it is important to a much better financial future. This requires understanding three crucial things: your costs, financial issues, and financial desires. 2. Understand just how much you invest in order to learn just how much you can pay for. Document your regular monthly costs if you have time, or utilize a personal finance program. Consider issues that might develop, such as unanticipated physician's expenses, school uniforms, income tax returns. 3. Understanding your way of life goals is just as essential. Bearing in mind your desires will assist you to choose which ones are reasonable and which ones are not. Concentrate on the sensible ones, as they will supply the inspiration to handle your personal finances. 4. Sincerity is another essential mindset to handling your personal finance strategy. You are not most likely to move ahead if you choose not to accept the truth surrounding your present financial status. Be truthful with yourself in just how much you can pay for and just how much you owe. Otherwise, your financial strategy will more than likely end in financial problems. 5. When handling personal finance, discipline is maybe the most crucial. You need to find out to state no when required when you have actually found what you genuinely can and cannot manage. This is simpler stated than done. However, if you are figured out on having an economically protected future, discipline is necessary. 6. You should be sensible in your financial investments if you want success in your personal finance. This research study is sure to pay off, whereas the absence of it will undoubtedly lead to more debts and deviating from your personal finance strategy. Extremely merely, the most efficient technique to enhance your personal finances is to invest carefully. Comprehending this will permit you to handle your personal finance a little much better. Also, increasing consumerism and simple access to credit have actually offered an increase in overspending, even by a typical earnings earner. The reality is, you'd get more advantages if you take your personal financial management seriously. 7. Carefully use credit cards. Credit cards are the most popular approach to getting credit. Not being required to bring money around motivates lots of individuals to just swipe their cards on the ever-present credit card terminals, not recognizing or not caring that whatever eventually goes on their tab. Appropriate financial management indicates taking safety measures so one can lessen credit card debts. Bear in mind, the credit card business will begin charging charges if you are not able to settle your fees on time, which will just include your debts and will aggravate your issue. When applying for a credit card, try to find the company that charges the most beneficial interest rate. Paying a low interest rate indicates conserving some cash for other costs. 8. Consider debit cards. Another method is to get debit cards, no credit card. The benefit here is that your costs are restricted by the quantity you have in your account. Debit cards have integrated security versus overspending and the occurring loss of financial control. 9. Choose secured personal loans. Personal loans are another source of financing. Personal loans will make you economically more powerful and more protected, if you utilize the loan constructively, that is. If you are securing a personal loan so you can invest some more cash you do not have, getting a personal loan is simply going to accelerate your financial decrease. Your top priority needs to be reducing loan expenses as much as possible if you choose this method. You must get personal loans that charge the most beneficial rates of interest so you can save up on interest charges that will just include your insolvency. When securing a personal loan, choose the protected personal loan, that which sets up any of your homes as security. With a protected or collateralized loan, lending institutions will be more going to reduce their rate of interest and use a more beneficial payment schedule. 10. Save. To have more financial control, you require to exchange your practice of expense for a routine of conserving. You will not require to take out a credit or a loan card for unanticipated and unexpected costs if you save adequate cash. You can simply utilize your own savings, and as such, you're not going to need to pay interest. Wise financial management incorporates investing just on what's needed and what's within the budget plan. Never ever borrow cash, so you can invest more. When you do this, this will never ever work and you will be simply digging your financial tomb. Thanks for watching. If you felt our video was helpful, please subscribe and like this. See you next video.